Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to start selling on Pinterest in 2025 using just your phone. No fancy setup needed. Let's begin. Open the Pinterest app and log in. To sell, you'll need a business account. Tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then Account Management. Tap Convert to Business Account. It's free and quick. Once you're switched, you'll unlock seller tools like analytics and product tagging. Follow the setup. Pick your business type and enter your website or skip it. Now go back to your profile and tap the plus button to make a new pin. Upload a clear photo or video of your product. In the title and description, use strong keywords like handmade gold earrings instead of cute earrings so people can find it. Tap Add a link and paste your product's purchase link. This could be a Shopify, Etsy, or website link. Pick a board to save your pin, or create one like Shop My Products. Then hit Publish. Your product is now live. To get more views, post consistently, use keywords, and keep your visuals clean. Pinterest is like a search engine. More people will find your stuff over time. Bonus tip. You can explore Pinterest ads and product catalogs later, but starting with manual pins works just fine. Hope that helped. See you in the next video.